Welcome. In this tutorial, we will cover several methods to fix sound issues on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, try the simplest solution: restart your phone. Sometimes a quick reboot can resolve minor software glitches that may cause sound problems. Hold the power button, tap restart, and see if your sound is restored once your phone reboots. If restarting didn't help, check your volume settings. Press the volume up button to make sure your sound isn't accidentally muted. You can also go to settings, tap sound, and check your media ringtone and alarm volume sliders. Make sure they are all turned up. Another fix is to clean the speakers. Sometimes dust or debris can block your phone's speaker, causing sound problems. Use a soft, dry brush or compressed air to gently clean the speaker grill. If you are still having issues, check your Bluetooth settings. Go to Settings, tap Connections or Bluetooth, and make sure your phone isn't connected to any Bluetooth devices, like headphones or speakers. If it is, disconnect them and test your phone's sound again. Next, check for a software update. Go to Settings, then find Software Update option. If an update is available, install it, as this may resolve any bugs causing the sound issue. Lastly, if none of these methods work, there may be hardware issue with your phone's speaker. In this case, you might need to contact customer support or take your device to a service center for repairs. And that's it. We have gone over several ways to troubleshoot and fix sound issues on your Android device. If this video helped, do not forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials.